let's make some delicious mustard-coated pork chops. We start off with our pork chops and some Dijon mustard. You can use whatever kind of mustard you want. I'm simply using Dijon today. Take that mustard and make sure that you evenly coat these pork chops all over in mustard. This is going to caramelize incredibly well. We're going to add to our preheated skillet some bacon grease, or you can use pork tallow if you want. Place the pork chops right on down, and these are going to go straight into our oven. The mustard is already starting to caramelize, and it is going to make a delicious crust and fantastic flavor. Occasionally take them out, make sure that you flip them. You want to make sure that it's getting a nice crust on both sides, an even sear, and that's it. It is as simple as that. Take them out before they're at an internal temp of 145 degrees. You can serve them with all kinds of different sides. It's incredibly simple. The mustard gives it a fantastic flavor. I hope you guys try it and enjoy.